Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And it's me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye and latest collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyle in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance, spiky and messy hairstyles. But in today's my collection, different collection of too short and very small wave and curl on hair. And many much more beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And trendy collection, eye-catching collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And attractive collection of highlights in blonde color. In burgundy color, in funky colors. And many much more latest and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. You look very graceful and you look younger. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself. And take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.